Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make easy money using only your mobile phone on Finecash SEO. As you can see, there is my PayPal account in the background to show you that this site is completely legit. I have already received many payments from this site, and for example, my latest payment here is for almost $5,000. Okay, so now I'll log in to show you how to make money on this website. As you can see, there is my current earnings and how much I can withdraw at this moment. So once you register, just scroll down and you will see all the methods of making money on this website. What I would recommend to you at the beginning is the third option called download apps. So we will see a list of apps, and all you have to do is install free apps and follow the instructions below chip install to make sure you receive your payment for this task. And for example, let's check out this one application. So now just read the instructions and click continue button. And we'll be moved to the App Store where you can start installing this free application. But for now, I will go to the Finecash to show you, in my opinion, the best way to earn money on this website. So just go back to dashboard and click first option. On this page, we can earn by simply recommending this website to friends or someone on the web. Each person has their own unique link, and all you have to do is copy that link and you can share this link on your social media. You will get $2 for each visit to this link and $10 for each registration. There is much more options to make money on this website, so I wish you high earnings. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you later.